Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows Media Player issue in Windows. First method is, type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click View by small icons. Click Troubleshooting. Click View All. Click Windows Media Player Library. Click Next. Click Apply this fix. If same error still exists, second method is, type Control Panel. Click Control Panel. Click View by small icons. Click Programs and Features. Turn Windows features on or off. Click and expand Media Features. Uncheck Windows Media Player. Click Yes. Click OK. Close and exit Control Panel. Restart system. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click View by small icons. Click Programs and Features. Turn Windows features on or off. Select Windows Media Player. Click OK. If same error still exists, third method is, type Media Player Codec Pack download in browser search bar. Click Media Player Codec Pack. Click Download. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Click Next. Click I agree. Click Next. Click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.